I get a lot of questions about trading a small account balance. Here's some of the examples. What's the best way to trade a small account? What about margin requirements? They tend to stop me from trading so much. And what's this thing with the 3 day trades only each week? And the biggest one I get, how can I grow my account balance fast? Well, let me introduce myself. My name's Maggie Roth, and I've been in the stock market most of my adult life. I was always a saver, and right out of college, I hired a financial advisor believing that the stock market was a great vehicle for building wealth. My advisor handled my funds for many years, and he was good when the market was going up, but any little bump in the road and it set my account back 10, 20, even 50% in one cases. It was painful, but amidst all that pain, there was some good news. I was learning to read the market rhythm and see what caused it to go up and down. And when I talked to my financial advisor about this, he kind of poo-pooed me and ignored me. So I finally fired his butt. And I took on the daunting task of running my own finances by myself. It was a hard job. I picked the worst time in history. It was one of the worst down markets, and my account balance was down to one of its lowest points in years. So, that's me. Step off the edge of a cliff and see what happens. So there's an urban legend out there that I grew my account from a little less than $25,000 to over $3 million in just a matter of years. Well, guys, that urban legend is absolutely true. I did it. So how did I do it? I get that question a lot. Well, the first thing I did was go out and get some education. I practiced for 6 months in paper money before ever jumping off the cliff. And when I did, I had the strong belief that I could do it. And that belief carried me through a lot of hurt and pain. But I also got lucky. It was the worst down market ever, and the BP oil spill had just happened. So here's your first lesson. The market goes down harder and faster than it ever goes up. And don't try and trade the same way you would in an up market. It just won't work. It's a formula for disaster. I know, because that's what my financial advisor did in 72, in 79, 86, and the dot-com fiasco. As a new trader, I recognized that when the market was going down hard, the best thing to do was go out and buy puts and just let them work for you. I would let those puts go down, gaining 200 to 500% on each trade, and even more in a lot of cases. That's only the first step though. Remember, hard down markets don't last very long. Every Thursday, we do a deep dive into some aspect of the market. This week is a great one if you're a brand new trader or if you've got a small account balance. We're going to help you become a master of that small account. The deep dive is also a great one if you struggle in down markets. Just by clicking the button below, you can join us on a free trial offer. But once you're with us, I think you're going to thank your lucky stars that you found Investing Buddies.